What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Fully Geeking Out. It's your boy, the head geek himself, Eddie, back with another video. Today we're going to unbox and install a must-have mod for your 3rd gen Tacoma. We're going to install this product right here. This is the Sokie Tech bolt-on hood struts. This product comes with left and right hood mounts. It also comes with these smaller lower mounts that screw into existing threaded holes on the walls of the engine compartment. Here are the 2 struts. There are 2 sizes of struts. The shorter strut is mounted on the driver's side and the longer strut is mounted on the passenger side. Here's the installation paperwork. Not many instructions on how to install this, but we'll figure it out. Let's install this bad boy. Now, under the hood, we start by removing the first 12mm bolt on the hood bracket. Use this same 12mm bolt to install the driver's side strut mount to the hood bracket. Make sure to wipe down the area where the strut mount is being installed because there is double-sided tape on the strut mount to hold the strut mount more securely in place. Next, you're going to remove this grounding bolt and replace it with the 10mm lower mount and washer. Push and snap in the shorter strut onto the lower mount. Lift the hood, push and snap in the top of the shorter strut onto the upper mount. If you made it this far into the video, please crush that like button. Now on the passenger side, there is a plastic protective cover. The lower mount hole for the longer passenger side strut is right below this cover. You're going to slowly pull up on this cover to not damage anything. This cover will snap loose when you pull up on it. Install the other 10mm lower mount into that threaded hole. Install the longer passenger strut to the lower mount and snap down the plastic cover. Install the passenger mount just like you did with the driver's side and snap in the longer passenger strut. Now you're all done. Now, please comment down below. Let me know what you think about this mod and if any of you are planning to do this mod on your 3rd gen Tacoma. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.